Hello, my name is Violeth Shayo and I'm here in Tanzania where I'm overseeing Africa School Assistance Project's COVID-19 response program. A few months ago, when schools closed, like in most places around the world, we knew we had to stand by our partner communities and help stop the spread of this terrible virus. Rural areas like this in Tanzania are faced with disproportionate risk due to lack of information, adequate water, sanitation and hygiene practices, and quality healthcare. As a result, Africa School Assistance Project is working closely with Tanzanian government and our partner communities to inform them about COVID-19, how the virus is spread, and what they can do to slow down the spread of this virus in their communities, and also what they can do to protect themselves when they contract the virus. To do this, Africa School Assistance Project facilitates community trainings assisted by local medical officers and has constructed notice boards in high traffic areas that display informational posters like the ones posted behind me. So far, we have reached more than 22,000 community members and counting. In addition, we have constructed hands-free hand-washing stations and distributed them along with adequate supply of soap throughout all villages Africa School Assistance Project is working with. We have identified more than 5,000 rural villages that are considered vulnerable to COVID-19 due to pre-existing illness or age, and we have provided them with face masks like this one. And finally, we are working closely with village dispensaries and local hospitals to make sure they have personal protective equipment and tools they need to keep their medical workers safe and to provide quality care to the local people. The local community has responded well to the health education and materials provided, and we are already seeing significant behavioral changes. Now that we have seen the effectiveness of these measures, Africa School Assistance Project is ramping up efforts to support even more communities from Mwanza to Arusha. And by the end of this week, we will have increased the scope of this program to save nearly 28,000 people in rural Tanzania. On behalf of Africa School Assistance Project and many Tanzanians served through this program, I thank you for your support and urge you to consider making a small donation today so that we can save even more communities and stop the spread of this terrible disease. Asante sana from Tanzania.